YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be trying out this viral brush on TikTok for your curly hair. This is what it looks like, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned until the end of today's video to see the results. Go ahead and follow my social medias, and then we're going to get straight into the video. Alrighty, so my hair is freshly washed with shampoo and conditioner. There is nothing in my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by parting my middle part. I am a middle part girly. I really don't have to part my middle part for it to be there, but I'm going to do it anyway. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with this water bottle. This is a concoction that I made with water and leave-in conditioner. More water than leave-in conditioner so it doesn't clog the water bottle spray thingy. So I'm going to go ahead and basically spray that all over my hair from the roots to the middle to the end, because I did have my hair wrapped in a towel so that it wasn't leaking all over me. So my hair did kind of dry out a little bit, so we're just going to add back some of that moisture. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the brush, not for the styling part of it, just to detangle my hair, and we're going to do that just so the water can distribute evenly, as well as, you know, get rid of all the tangles and things like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and move on with my product. So I'm going to be using this curl cream by Aveda. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but I'm going to be using this curl cream, and then I'm going to rake that and put that throughout my hair. I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair because I noticed that it does weigh down my curls, which is not what I'm looking for. So I only use this product from here on out, and I'm going to go ahead and focus on the middle and the ends. I'm not going to focus on the roots for this, but I do want to make sure that I am putting that product throughout my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning off my hair, and I'm going to start with the bottom, of course, split that in two, and then we're going to go ahead and see if this brush can work its magic. So I'm going to go ahead and take the brush, and you're supposed to twist it like how I'm doing it to see how the curls, you know, get a little bit more defined and clump up together. As you can see, they definitely did clump up together, and I gave it a little scrunch because, you know, that's how you get your curls to pop really. I gave it a little scrunch, and you can noticeably see the difference between the left side and the right side. The side looks, you know, more defined. It looks better than the other side. So now I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the next side, doing the exact same thing, brushing my hair, and then you're going to want to twist it to the side, and I like to take my hand to make sure the hair stays on the brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and scrunch it so the curls can get popping and look really, really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process throughout the rest of my hair, taking that brush, taking the curls, giving them a little shake and scrunching them. I do go ahead and use the brush and kind of brush up on the curls. That is my way of getting my hair to get a little bit more volume. If you do not want volume, of course you can brush going down, but I feel like as a girl with curly hair, volume should also be one of your goals when doing your hair. But I'm going to go ahead and repeat this throughout my whole head. Now as I get to the top or the crown of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and section it off just like that. And I really like that the brush has that little part where you can comb it out as well. But I'm going to go ahead and brush backwards. Now I do this for the front part but not my bangs, and I think that this part right here is just going to add that extra volume to the top of my hair, brushing it backwards. Now if you guys have watched my videos previously, I have never brushed my hair backwards ever, and I have never styled my hair with this brush or styled it with any brush. So this is all new to me and I'm really just winging it, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush all of those parts backwards. And as for my bangs, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them backwards too, but I'm gonna go ahead and let them fall not really backwards, even though they are falling backwards, but I'm going to bring them into the front of my face since they are bangs, as you will see in the next clip. But I'm going to spray my hair with this water conditioner concoction to rehydrate my curls, and then we're going to go ahead and scrunch the left and the right side. And then I'm going to use my diffuser on heat 2, speed 2, and I'm just going to diffuse my hair until it's about 50% dry. Now that it's 50% dry, I'm going to use this volume hairspray. Now this hairspray is really just for volume itself, so I go ahead and I spray that into my roots. I don't spray that into the middle or the ends of my hair, just the roots. This part is optional, but I really like my hair to look big, so if you want your hair to be big, do not skip that step. And then we're going to go ahead and diffuse our hair again until it is 100% dry. Now this is how my hair is looking, 100% dry, straight off of the diffuser, and my curls are curling. Y'all can't lie. If you have ever watched my curly hair videos in the past, you would know my curls have never looked this good. And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I definitely suggest you go watch those to see the difference. But I'm going to go ahead and add this Jamaican black castor oil to my roots. I did put it in this bottle because it's super easy to apply that oil to my roots instead of using my fingertips. So I'm using that bottle, and we're going to go ahead and massage that into our scalp. This is going to promote hair growth and get us thicker hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this other oil. I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand, but I did get it from Sephora. But I'm going to go ahead and add that oil to the middle and the ends of my hair. This is really just to have my hair smell really, really good and look super shiny. And then we're going to go ahead and pick out our hair. Yet again, this is for volume purposes. You can skip this step if you do not want volume. But if you like your hair to be big like mine, definitely go ahead and pick out your hair. And here I am again adding some more of this volume hairspray because your girl likes her hair big. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this hairspray, shake that out, and yeah. So this is going to be the final result. My curls are definitely more defined rather than frizzy and big, which I love. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I definitely recommend getting this brush. It was super cheap on Amazon and TikTok shop. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and follow my social medias if you haven't. They will be on the screen, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.